Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a product on your WordPress website. So once you're on here and you have WooCommerce installed as a plugin, you're going to go here and you're going to go to products. And then once you're on that page, you're going to press add new. My computer's being slow, so I'm sorry. And then give it a name. So we'll say t-shirt number 2 because I already have one. Then you'll put whatever kind of description you want. So you can say this is a simple t-shirt. And then I'm going to, it looks like you should add the picture here, but that's for the description. So you'll scroll down here and you'll say set product image. I just pick one from what I already have. So let's just do a white t-shirt. Set that as an image. And then on here, we're going to go, you can add anything you want. So here I'll say that price is 20 and that it's on sale for 15, just for the heck of it. And then you can add the SKU if you have one, add shipping if you need. Any attributes like color or sizes, you can add there. And then you can scroll up here, select where you want it. So this is going to go in the t-shirt category. And then we'll say publish. Once that's published, you can go back to your products or view it that way. Either way works. I guess I should have done that, but oh well. So here it is, and you can view it. You can take it off if you want, say it's out of stock, but right now it's set to in stock. And there it is. There's your description. Your attributes would show up here if you had any, but there you go.